like this. Yeah. The highland, they look like this.
Dr. Dennis Tipe isoma ikeda Tanzania Agricultural Research Institute ngesie balebe epote kesi ya reikin akiro nwa deka sineda nwa Akima.
As you know, we launched a new project in December 7th. The project is all about biodiversity for opportunity, livelihoods, and development board, the finger millet component. This project is all about increasing sustainability and productivity of finger millet in East African regions. But it's not all about only productivity of the crop, but all about nutritional security, income of the farmers, and generally food security in this arid and semi-arid region of East Africa. We want to utilize diversity of finger millet in the region and including the breeding program, so that at the end we come out with advanced materials like drought tolerant material, diseases, as well as parasitic weed invasion in the ecology.
Professor Matthew Dida isoma ikeda Maseno University loesipo akwapunako Kenya ngesie balebe ekota korio kalomara kironu Akoru Akima kede tawe diopet.
We are in semi-arid environment that this is rare in Uganda, and the crops of importance I see as sorghum, finger millet, as well as cassava, that needs improvement in this region. I think we should be looking for ways of getting better varieties to the farmers that are acceptable and of good quality, as well as letting farmers know the best way to manage crops in terms of agronomy to maximize the crop productivity.
Dr. Scovia Dikini na yaita kironu epepe ikinyom Aitojokar alaije igola serere ngesie balebe joka project lono.
Ever since research on finger millet, not much has been done in terms of mechanization of the crop, in terms of its agronomy, and that has significantly affected its production because it is labor intensive. And it is our desire that this is addressed, especially if farmers can get a technology that can help them plant in rows and make planting faster and easier.
Damarisa Cheng Odeny na eraya Ipiriotin na engichinu Akoru o project kalo ngesie balebe epote kesi ya swamagogong Aitojokar Akima.
Finger millet is believed to have been first domesticated in this region, the region around Ethiopia, Uganda, and for that reason there are a lot of wild relatives in the region that can be utilized for its productivity. Yet finger millet remains one of the least productive crops, yielding so low. So we thought, why not make use of the abundant wild relatives that are present in the region for improving the traits of finger millet.
And I've enjoyed very much seeing finger millet in the fields for the first time.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Lapu, Ko District Loko Serere.
I'm almost tempted.